I'm moving my toes.
You're moving your what?
I'm moving my toes. I know how this goes. I've been here before.
I don't know what you're talking about. Don't tell me to take the front end out of something. Look at log chain do it. Hey, does that Escalade run? We can get it out of here real quick.
I wish it ran.
I got a log chain in the back of the truck.
Before we kick it, Johnny.
Yes, sir.
The torsion bar is in the way. It's gonna crunch it.
Torsion bars down here.
See that? You probably gotta get that up.
Yeah.
I probably gotta tie that up too, right?
Yeah. Actually.
I got a bell wire for that. Is it gonna be? Is it gonna clear?
Yeah.
Let me get something for
You
it.
can either tie it on right here, or wherever you want to tie it at.
Tie this.
Right there.
We can't tie it to the strut though.
No.
I'll go around the frame.
Matter of fact, you can pull it back here.
There we go. Get this. Jack stands basically.
Well, I just moved it 2 or 3 inches, and I just barely pushed on it.
I got you. All right, let me push.
Yeah, it's coming.
Your side. Oh, hold up. We gotta lift the truck up though.
Yeah, you can.
We gotta clear the strut towers.
Yeah, as you push out, it's gonna come down.
Yeah, let me
Yeah, go up.
Yeah. Okay, hold on.
Go up. You'll probably have to let the air out again and let it.
I got a little bit.
Oh my.
Yeah, she's coming.
Oh my.
It's
As long
about
as it
out over
doesn't
here.
roll off the tires
Easy.
and head this way.
Hey, now you can slide your tires up under there.
I'll get in front of you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh yeah. We probably gotta jack it up higher. The jacks.
Yeah.
Let's go higher with the jacks so we can get the tires under it and move the jack stands.
Okay. I'm game.
So we got somewhere to go
Yeah.
because the truck's higher. Sorry, I'm already going up on this side. Sorry.
Oh no.
I'll wait for you.
No. With them tires going, I'm fully extended.
Are you sure that thing's not going to roll backwards towards the rear rather than the front?
It's pitched forward.
Is it? Okay. Okay. There's one down.
No, that's about as far as it goes.
How about on that other tire? Can you get it?
I can't. Jack stands are in the way. I gotta go higher.
Okay.
As long as the truck stays on the lift. All right. I gotta go higher with the truck.
Okay. Well, be careful, because when you go higher, it's going to come on out.
Yeah. I guess that's why we gotta go up with the
Well,
jacks.
it'll rotate forward. Don't worry. It'll hit the tires.
Okay.
If it comes out, it ain't going no way but forward.
All right, y'all
It
watch
can't
it.
go backwards.
Y'all watch your toes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna be forward here a little bit. I'm gonna go up to
I don't
the
have
next.
any of that.
Harley's safe.
Yeah.
She's way back.
It can't go no way but forward. That's easy.
Oh my.
It's about out over here.
Okay.
And I mean, close enough for going work.
I can go up a little bit over here. Now we can move the jack stands and slide the tires. We can slide probably one tire under there between the jacks. There's not enough room for both tires.
Okay.
All right, that'll work.
You want
So
me to
let me
slide,
move-
James, you want me to slide the jack stand out over here? I got it.
There we go. Oh, we got this one loose too, don't we? Oh, that's coming with it.
Yeah, it's coming with it.
Now my jack's in the way on.
That one tire,
Oh, it's coming down, babe.
Yeah.
Was that good?
What was that?
I don't know.
What fell?
My jack, it leaned forward and took went out.
Oh, I swung my jack over here. Sorry.
No, you're good. We're out all the way. The shock's out and
I'm
everything.
still in over here. I heard it's like some washer spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right
something.
here. It's the one laying right in the center, right by your front wheel on your jack. See that
Oh,
rubber?
I see.
That's a rubber washer, and the metal one's laying right here under this tire.
Oh, shit, right here. Okay. It came off of the.
Top of the shock.
Okay.
So there'll be a metal washer and a rubber boot, and then it goes up into the shop.
Yeah, I see. Okay. All right, I'm gonna lower my side
All right.
just slowly.
Yeah, very slowly.
All right, I'll do a little more. Want to push? Should we push that tire under more?
No, it should be fine. Unless you want to try and get it under there more. Is yours going down or up or what?
I'm gonna come down. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay, I'm holding my jack there.
You're good. You're out over here.
Yeah, I'm out over here too. But it's got some dropping to do though.
It's got some dropping to do on
Yeah.
this side?
On my side?
There's a line right here holding it.
No, this?
No, in the center. where the
Oh,
pumpkin's
yeah,
at.
okay. Yeah, you got a vacuum line, it looks like,
Is there a vacuum line?
off the differential. The chunk.
Yeah, it's right in the center right there.
Sorry.
See it right there?
Oh yeah,
shit.
right in the middle
Yeah, I
there.
see it.
Yeah. Yep.
Let me jack it up a little bit. Take the
Oh,
load
yeah.
off it.
Here, I can do that over here too.
Yep. Where'd that light go, Monique? The battery light.
Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure. Hey.
Okay.
Which way lets this down, dude? Up.
Oh, is
Turn
that?
it to
Oh,
the
that's.
left. So,
Oh, I don't know whose side that is. Is that the one you're talking about? Eddie, this little one? That little thing?
yeah,
Letting it down?
Yeah.
Is that what you're talking about?
Oh no, not that one.
Oh.
It was our battery jumper.
Oh.
We used it as a light.
Oh, that. I don't know, babe. Not sure.
you come
It's like a little red. It's like a red thing. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the red
that's
thing,
it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, has a light on.
Thank
Yeah, you
you.
just unclip that right here. It don't look like it looks like one of those little, it's like a vacuum line or something that's differential.
I know.
They should just unclip right there.
I like being a spectator, but not too close. Yeah.
Oh, it's got a little thing on it, I think.
One of like a pair of wire pliers that takes it off.
I don't know what that is. I don't know what the hell that is. Yeah, one of those crimps.
I'm gonna head to the next
wire
video.
cut one.
Yeah.
Cut it.
All
A
right.
flathead screwdriver or a wire cutter.